Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a guy on Dress to Impress. So if you're here, you're just going to walk straight to this area and you're going to select the male body, put on and press yes. And as you can see, it's going to change. Here are most of the outfits for the men one, but you can use some from here, of course. But as you can see, some of the items you can't put on. Here you can put this on, but some of them you can't put them on. There's also some from the VIP section here that you can put on. You need to like kind of hover over it though and see which ones you can put on or can't put on. There's a lot of stuff that you can't like put on because like it's mostly girl clothes. For instance, this one though you can put on, and I think there was like one from the well, you can wear everything from the brat section as well, but there's one from the quest. Well, there's three items you can wear from the quest, that are these ones, which I think is cool. But yeah, that's pretty much mostly the items that the guys can use here. So it's mostly the brat items, the one outside, some accessories and stuff like that. You can also wear some of the girls' hair here. I think now you can actually wear all of it. You used to not be able to. If you're a guy, you can only wear like masculine hairstyles, but now I think you can with all of them, which I think is pretty cool. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.